Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use TikTok on iPhone or iOS. So yeah, first thing we're gonna do if we want to use the TikTok is have the application first by installing on the App Store. After we install the applications, go open the application by click it, and then after that there is several features on the down side here. If you can see, there is a home, shop, plus button, inbox, and profile. Home section or home features means that someone's video is gonna be like gathered here, so you can like scrolling and look for what they made for their content. You can scroll it. We can scroll it and then look.
Kita pengiriman dari Jakarta Barat. Nomor 13 boleh.
Another video, another advertisement, and many things. And then after that, if you go into the subsections, it's just the options of the shop that you can visit. If you want to buy something, you can look or use these features. If you want to look several or specific item, go into the search and look for what you want to have or what you want to buy. And after that, just click search and you will have anything that you want, and you can choose which shop that you want to visit. And then after that, another features is plus button. So plus button here is used for making the video or making your own content. You can record it right away or you can upload it from your gallery. And then after that, there's sections. This features here is the inbox features. It's used for having communication with all of your friends on a TikTok. And the last one is profile. Profile is to checking your profile. You can edit your ID, you can edit your names, you can add friends, you can do a bio and check what content that you have uploaded before. So that's how you use TikTok, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you find out this video is quite useful for you. Thank you.